Hi everyone and welcome to Excel Whiz. Are you tired of typing the same data over and over in Excel? Why should one use macros? Macros in Excel save you time by automating repetitive tasks like data entry, formatting, or calculations with just one click. Instead of doing the same tasks over and over, you record it once and let Excel do the rest. It's like having a personal assistant that never makes mistakes and works instantly. What if you could automate it in just a few clicks, just like this? Today, I'll show you how to record a macro to enter new data instantly. So let's dive right in. We have a simple data table here with headers, employee ID, name, department, and the annual salary of each employee. Here we have to type in everything manually. But with one recorded macro, I'll automate the whole process. Let's see how we can create this. Start by going to the Developer tab and click Record Macro. A pop-up window will appear. Just give it a name. Let's give it as Update and click on OK. By doing this, Excel watches your every move. Start by inserting a new row. Let's do that by right-clicking and go to Insert option. Now let's copy the data and paste it as transpose and then remove the entered data, and once we're done, go back and click Stop Recording. Now comes the fun part. Let's have a quick access button. For that, go to Developer tab and select the button option from the menu. A pop-up window opens and select Update. That's the name we gave for our macro. And then click OK. Let's rename the button to New Data Entry. And enter some fresh data. Start by entering an employee ID, then the name, let's say John David, the department as finance, and finally, the annual salary. Now just click on New Data Entry and see the magic happen. That's it. Keep repeating the same process for every new data entry, and that's it. We have a fully automated process. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel hacks. See you in the next video.